In this video, I am going to share an ultimate secret to reinvent yourself. There is a hidden reason behind something that holds you so many of you back without even knowing it. We are going to talk about what is holding you back, and then I'm going to show you just how easy it can be to break free from it. Everything you need is already on its way to you, and that you don't have to figure it out all alone. And let's get into the today's video. So today's video is on regressions. Actually, there are two regression equations, that is x on y and y on x. So these formulae are so simple to remember here. So first one is actual mean and next one is an assumed mean. So this is a regression equation of x on y. See here, we have to start with x, that is x minus x bar is equal to, this is r into x on y, sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. So we have to start with x and we have to end up with y. Or else, so in this place, we can substitute this one, sigma x into y. So we have to make a product out of this. So what is in the denominator here? Y. So we have to make sigma y square here. Clear? So here the regression equation of y on x is also very simple. We have to start with y here. That is y minus y bar is equal to r times of y on x sigma y by sigma x into, we have to close with x, that is x minus x bar. Is it not easy? So for x minus y, we have to start with x and we have to end up with y. So here x on y. So here this is sigma x by sigma y, or else it can be written as sigma xy by sigma in the denominator y, this is y square. So here y on x sigma y by sigma x. So here in this place we can write as sigma product of this xy by, in the denominator there is x here, this therefore sigma x square. So for y on x, we have to start with y and we have to end up with x here. For assumed mean, when we take this assumed mean, so when we calculate the arithmetic mean for x bar, if it is a fraction which is not a whole number, so we have to consider this an assumed mean. So we have to, when it is a fraction, we have to take a whole number here and we have to assume certain mean and we have to do in this process. So assumed mean, the regression equation of x on y here is x minus x bar. Again, we have to start with x and we have to end up with y, and this is bxy. So what is this bxy? Here is an extension part of this. Here there is x into y. Here this is dx into dy minus individually, that is the sigma dx into sigma dy by n by, so here x on y, here there is y square, so here this will be dy square minus individual sigma dy whole square by n. So come again, bxy is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy by n by sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square by n. So for the same thing, assumed mean, if it is the regression equation of y on x, see we have to start with y minus y bar. We have to end up with x minus x bar. Meantime, byx. So what is this byx? So byx is nothing but the product here, sigma dx dy minus individually sigma dx into sigma dy by n by, see here there is x square here, so we have to make sigma dx square. So in this place single x, in this place dx minus sigma dx whole square by n. So these are the important formulae. So in between, this is called the coefficient of correlation. So this is mean, arithmetic mean, x bar and y bar. So these are the equations. Now we are going to solve the few problems from the textbook, as we have already solved these problems in my earlier videos. And today's problem is, from the following data, calculate correlation coefficient and standard deviation, that is a sigma y. See here what is given, bxy is given. So what is bxy? So bxy is equal to r times of x on y. So this is the formula here. So bxy is given and byx is also given. So what is byx? So bxy is equal to r times of, this is y on, this is x. So these are the two formula here. Sigma x value is given. We have to find the correlation coefficient. For that we need the symbol r here. So r, we are having a formula, that is a sigma, that is root over bxy into byx is equal to r. So this is root over, what is bxy here? 0.85. So this is a 0.89. So this value is 0.89, and therefore see, this is 0.85 into 0.89. So root, the value here is 0.869. So it is R value is equal to 0.87. Now we need to calculate the correlation coefficient. So correlation coefficient R is equal to 0.87. Standard deviation sigma R. So this is nothing but the correlation coefficient. We got R here. So we have sigma X ready as 3 here, and sigma Y we have to find out, and sigma BXY value is 0.85. Every value is ready here, and now we are going to solve. See here, all the values are ready here. So we got R as root over Bxy into Byx as this one 0.87 here. Now we are going to calculate sigma Y. See here, Bxy is equal to R times of sigma X by sigma Y. So what is Bxy value? This is 0.85 is the Bxy value. This is R times of sigma X by sigma Y. So what is sigma X value here? Sigma X value here is 3. So if I substitute sigma X value as 3 here, R value as a 0.87 here. So sigma Y value will be here. So if I send sigma Y to other sides, then sigma Y from this is equal to 0.87 into 3 by, if you send this to denominator, this will be 0.85, which is equal to 3.07. So this is how we have to solve. First we have to find out the correlation coefficient and sigma Y. See, it is given that Bxy is given as this one, Byx is given as this one. Please remember this formula. R value is equal to root over Bxy into Byx. So 0.87 is the answer. Sigma X is given as 3 and R value we got as 0.87, and sigma X value is equal to 3 and Bxy value is equal to 0.85. In place of Bxy, I am going to substitute 0.85 and R value as 0.87 and sigma X value as 3, and from this standard deviation sigma Y value we got as 3.07. So this is how we have to solve. And the next question here is, see, the next question here is, given the following data, calculate the expected value of Y. We have to calculate the expected value of Y when X value is given as 12. When X is given, we have to calculate Y. So we have to find the regression equation of Y on X. So this is Y on X. Here the average means X bar. So X bar value is given as a 7.6 from this table, and the average value Y bar is given as, this is 14.8, and the standard deviation of X, that is the sigma X value, is given as 3.6, and standard deviation of Y, that is the sigma Y, is given as this value as 2.5. Clear? So this is all the data given, and now we have to find the regression equation of Y on X from the question, and we have to substitute X is equal to 12 in that equation. So mean X bar is equal to 7.6. The mean of the Y series, that is 14.8. The sigma X value is equal to 3.6 and sigma Y series is equal to 2.5. And the correlation quotient is also given. So here correlation quotient is also given as 0.99 here. 0.99. This is a sigma X, sigma Y. This is this is X bar, Y bar, sigma X and sigma Y. All the values are given. Now we have to find the regression equation of Y on X. So we have to start with Y and we have to end up with X, and the correlation quotient is R times of Y on X, sigma Y by sigma X. So here this is Y minus, what is Y bar here? Y bar is 14.8. I have substituted 14.8, and R value here is a 0.99 here, and this is a sigma Y value. What is sigma Y value? Sigma Y value is equal to, this is 2.5. This is a sigma Y, and this value is a sigma X. So this is 2.5. So this is 2.5 and sigma X value is equal to 3.6 minus X minus, what is X bar here? So X bar value is equal to 7.6. Now we have to multiply this one. So from this equation, so this is Y minus this is 14.8 is equal to, so if I calculate this one, so if I calculate, this will be 0.99 into this is 2.5 divided by this is 3.6. The value here is 0.6875 into this is X minus this is 7.6. Clear? This is y minus this is 14.8 is equal to 0.6875x minus, if I multiply into, this is a 7.6. The value here is, this value is 5.225. So y is equal to 0.6875x. If I send to other side, this one, this will be, this will be minus 14.8 goes other side, it will be plus. So this will be 14.8 minus, this is 5.225. The value here is, this is plus, this is 9.575. So this is 9.575, and this is the regression equation of y on x. So in this equation, if you substitute x value as, so x value, if you put x is equal to 12, what happens here? So this will be 0.875 into 12 plus 9 point, this is 575. So let me check here, this is 0.6875 into the value here, x value is equal to 12 plus this is 9.575. The value is approximately 17.825. So the expected value of y value here is a 17.83. So this is how we have to solve. First we have to check what is given from the question here. The sigma x bar is given, y bar is given, sigma x is given and sigma y is given, and also r is given. So r is given as 0.99, and we have to find out y value, that is the regression equation of y on x, and this is the formula here, so important, that is regression equation of y on x. We have to start with y and we have to end up with x, and this is r times of sigma x by sigma y. So this is the equation, and in this equation, if you keep x is equal to 12, we'll be getting the expected value of y. Clear? And the next question here is, calculate the regression equation of y on x. So again, y on x from the given data below, and taking the deviation from actual mean. So here the price is x is given. So these are all the x series, and the amount demanded, this is y series, are given. So now we have to calculate the regression equation of y on x. So what is the regression equation? We have to start with y minus y bar is equal to, this is r times of y on x. See here, y on x, and we have to end up with x here, that is x minus x bar. Is it not clear? Or else this can be written as, this is y minus y bar is equal to sigma. Make a product out of this xy. In the denominator there is x here, so we have to make sigma x square into x minus this value is x bar, x minus x bar here. So first of all we have to write the x series as 10, 12, 13, 12, 16 and 15. These are all the series. And the next one is, we have to make an addition out of this. So the addition here is 78. So what will be the x bar? So x bar is equal to, see here, x bar is equal to, this is sigma x by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 78 by 6. The value here is, what is 78 by 6? That is 13. So x bar value is equal to, so x bar is equal to 13 here. So in small x, we have to subtract each and every value from 13 here, that is x minus 13. That is 10 minus 13 is minus 3, 12 minus 13 is minus 1, 13 minus 13 0, 12 minus 13 minus 1, 16 minus 13 is 3, and 15 minus 13 is 2. Clear? This is small x or capital X here. So we have to make a squares out of this in the third column. Minus 3 square, minus 1 square, 0 square, minus 1 square, 3 square and 2 square. And now this is the total of sigma x square. And now y series, that is 40, 38, 43, 45, 37 and 43. These are all the y series. And now we have to make a total, that is 246. So y bar is equal to, this is a sigma y by n here. That is 246 by here 6. So this value will be 41. So here y bar is equal to, this is 41. If I cancel, this will be 41. So y is equal to, we have to subtract 13 from x series and 41 from the y series. That is 40 minus 41 is minus 1, 38 minus 41 is minus 3, 48 minus 41 is 2, and like that you have to fill this column. And y square minus 1 square minus 3 square 2 square 4 square minus 4 square and 2 square. And now we have to make a multiplication out of these, that is x into y. So what is x and what is y? So this is x and this is y, and you have to multiply. Minus 3 into minus 1 is 3, and minus 1 into minus 3 is 3. 0 into 2, anything 0, and minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12, and next one 2 into 2, that is 4, and you have to make a total out of this. Now what we have to calculate? The regression equation of y on x, that is y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. Now I am going to substitute every value here. What is y bar here? Y bar is 41. What is x bar here? X bar is 13 here. What is r here? So r, this can be written as, this is y minus y bar is equal to, this is a sigma xy by sigma here down x square into x minus x bar. What is sigma xy? The total here is minus 6. Sigma x square, the x square total is 24. So all the values are ready, and now we are going to substitute. See here, this is r into sigma y by sigma x I am doing. So sigma xy by x square. What is sigma xy? Sigma xy is minus 6. So this is minus 6 by sigma x square. Value from the table is 24. So here the value is, this is a 6 divided by 24. The value here is 0.25. So this will be minus 0.25 in the middle. So formula I am writing for once again. Y minus y bar is equal to sigma xy by sigma x square into x minus x bar. So y bar value is equal to 41, y minus y bar, and this value is equal to minus 0.25. This is x minus, what is x bar here? So x bar value is equal to 13. So from the table. So now we are going to find out the equation here. So this will be y minus 41 into minus 0.25 into x, minus into minus plus. This is 13 into 0.25. The value here is 3.25. So this will be 3.25. See here, after multiplying, this is minus into minus plus, and this is 0.25 into 13 is this one. So if I send 41 to other side, this will be y is equal to minus 0.25x plus this is 2.25 plus this value is 41. So y value is equal to minus 0.25 plus 41 plus 43, this is 44 plus this value is this one. So if I substitute 20 here, so this is x value. In this x, if I substitute 20, then y value will be, see here, if I substitute 20 here, this is minus 0.25 into 20 plus this is 44.25. The value here is 39. So this is 39.25 is the value. So 39.25. So when the price is 20, so the demand is 39.25. This is how we have to solve. We have to find out the regression equation of y on x, and so we have to find out the table here. We have to find out the arithmetic means, and we have to substitute in the following equation here. So it is also very easy and clear. And the next one, calculate the correlation coefficient from the following data. From the following data, here the correlation coefficient we have to find out. So here, when which formula we are going to use for correlation coefficient? For correlation coefficient, see here, let me tell you, this is the table. These are all the x series and these are all the y series. First we have to tabulate here. So here is the x total, here is the y total. First of all, I am going to find out the mean here. For finding the mean here, x bar is equal to, so what will be the x bar here? This is a sigma x by n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8, n value here. So what is sigma x here? This is 237 by 8. So this value is equal to, this is 237 divided by 8. The value here is approx, this is 29.625. So x bar is equal to around. As this is a fraction which is not a whole number, then we are going to use the assumed mean. For the assumed mean, this will be the formula. I'll explain you. So from each and every value of x, I'm going to subtract 30 here. So I'm going to subtract 30. That is 22 minus 30 is minus 8. 26 minus 30 is minus 4. 29 minus 30 is minus 1. 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. And 31 minus 30. Like that you have to fill this column and we have to make an addition out of this. And the next one is y series. So after adding, so y series will be So y bar is equal to sigma y by n here. What is y bar here? This is 199 by n value. Just now I found total 8 observations are there. So this will be 199. So this is 199 divided by 8. That is around. So this is a fraction here. When this is a fraction, we have to use the assumed mean. Y bar is approximately equals 25. So we have to assume certain mean, so we have to take the nearest value. So I'm taking 25 from each and every value. So here 20 minus 25 is minus 5, 20 minus 25 is minus 5, 21 minus 25 is minus 4, 29 minus 25 is 4, 27 minus 25 is 2, and 24 minus 25 is minus 1. So next we have to make the squares of x square. So minus 8 square, minus 4 square, minus 1 square, 0 square, 1 square, 1 square, 3 square, and 5 square. And you have to make y square here. So this is minus 5 square, minus 5 square, minus 4 square, minus 4 square, 2 square, 1 minus 1 square, 2 square, and 6 square. And now we have to make the product out of these. Minus 8 into minus 5 is 40, minus 4 into minus 5, 20, minus 1 into minus 4, 40. You have to make a product here. So it is so easy. When the x series and y series are given, we have to find out the mean. If it is a whole number, straightly you subtract that number from the x series, and that number from y, total y, we have to take the mean from the y series, and we have to make the squares out of this, and we have to make the product. And after that we have to make the addition out of all these. So here we have to find out the coefficient of correlation. So here x on y, if it is an x on y or y on x, so whichever it is, so we have to make a product. So this will be sigma xy. So this is dx dy minus, individually we have to make sigma x into sigma y by n, minus root over sigma x square minus sigma x whole square. Actually this is dx dy, sigma dx sigma dy. So sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square by n. So here also sigma y square minus sigma y whole square by n. So that is the formula here. Actually I have told you. So this is the formula, don't get confused. Dx into dy minus sigma dx into individually sigma dy by n by, this is root over, so this value is equal to root over, this is sigma x square minus sigma dx square by sigma dx whole square by n into, see here, this value is sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square by n. So this is the formula here. So this is the exact formula. What is sigma dx dy? So this is the total here. Dx dy total here is 101. So this is 101 here. This value is 101. What is sigma dx? So sigma dx total is minus 3 here. So sigma dx. So this will be dx, this will be dy. So this is dx square, this is dy square. So this is dx into dy. So according to our formula here. So what is the sigma dx value? This is minus 3, and sigma dy value here is minus 1 here by total n observations here. So n is equal to a number of observations 8 here by root over sigma dx square. So sigma dx square total is 117 minus sigma dx. This is minus 3 whole square by n here. So this is the formula here, minus sigma dy square. So sigma dy square total is 127 here minus sigma dy whole square. So sigma dy whole square is minus 1 square by n value is equal to 8. Now we have to make a calculations out of this. So this is 3 by 8, clear? This value is equal to 3 by 8. This value is equal to 9 by 8. This value is equal to 1 by 8. So here I'll show you. So this is 3 divided by 8 into, this is minus 1 plus this is 101. The value of the numerator here is equal to 100.625. Clear? And the next one in the down part, this is 9 divided by 6. Clear? This is 9 divided by 6. So into minus 1 plus this is 117. The value here is 115.5 around. So this value they have wrote. And the next one here is 1 divided by 8 into minus 1 plus this is 127. The value here is 126.875. Now here they forgot the root here, so there will be a root here. There are small mistakes in the textbook. Root here. Now we have to make a product here, that is 115 point. So this value is exactly 9 divided by 6 into minus 1 plus this is 117 from our calci into, so this is 126 point, this is 115.5 according to our calci. So into 126 point, this is 875. This is 875. This is the product, and we have to make a square root out of this, and we have to make an inverse into, this is 100.625. The value here is 0.83 around. So here the value is equal to, this is 0.831. So this is the value, and this is how we have to find the correlation quotient. If it is a fraction, you have to opt for the bigger formula here. If it is a small one, it is sigma xy by sigma x square is finished enough. So this is how we have to solve the textbook problems here. There are many problems in the textbook. Each and every problem will be explained in my video, and go to the playlist, and definitely you, even though you don't have a textbook also, it works out. And if you really like, you know what to do, please raise your thumb, pass it on to your friends, and subscribe to this channel and stay connected. And this topic is so easy if you follow these videos, and formulas are also so simple, and definitely you can score more, and out of the full marks you have to score. Thank you so much for watching.